In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect and set up a soundbar to your TCL Smart Google TV via HDMI, ARC or eARC port in less than a minute. Let's go. First, make sure that you have connected your soundbar to power and it's turned on. Then grab an HDMI cable, plug one end into your soundbar's HDMI port, and make sure to plug the other end into your TV's HDMI out, ARC or eARC port. If you plug it into any other HDMI ports, then your soundbar won't play audio. We are almost done. But you need to check other settings on your TCL Smart TV. So grab your remote and go to Settings, then Display and Sound, select Audio, go down to Audio Output and make sure that it's set to ARC. If it's set to any other sources, then your soundbar won't work either. Now you're all set and you should be able to enjoy music through your soundbar. In your case, if you're not getting sound, then you probably have HDMI CEC disabled. To enable that, open Settings again, and this time go to Channels and Inputs, and select Inputs. Go down to Controller Devices, CEC, and then turn on HDMI control. Now you can enjoy rich music on your TCL Smart TV through your soundbar. Don't forget to leave your feedback and I'll see you around.